The hands float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart. Send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sinking the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door. The start of the journey. One more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. As always, take as many breaths as you need, just keep on breathing. Keep on moving. Or take a break if you do need one. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the fingertips point up. The hands come up and over again, but this time they spiral out and away. Silk reeling, the upward spirals. So a little bit of a different energy, but similar movement. Just noticing the contrast. The spiraling energy throughout the body. Increasing the blood flow as well. One more time. Upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up and over. The fingertips point down. They come down the center and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Rising up, softening down. It's like big raindrops falling to the earth. One more time. Silk reeling, downward spirals. This time the hands come together in prayer position in front of the heart. And then step one foot out to the side a little bit wider, and then softening down with the hips and knees. Then as you rise up, the fingertips point up to the sky as you look to the side. Coming back down to center, lifting the other way, turning the head. The dragon looks side to side. Nice and easy. You don't have to go very low. One more time. And then this time the hands turn onto their sides and drift across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, the heart, a little bit lower. And they float back up. Let's do another round if you want. Just really feeling the sensations, using only what you need. One more round, swimming dragon. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, and soften. Step one foot in a little bit closer, and then from here the hands draw in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Taking your time. Once more, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up. They come up and over and then down in front of the body. Scooping under, scooping up the energy, the breath, and letting it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. This time, step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in, and then step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. moving with the breath or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up. They come down in front of the body as you shift back, and then scooping under, shifting forward, gather in the energy, let it wash through the body, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in and breathing out, feeling the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, Tai Chi circling. And then step the front foot back in. This time, hug the tree and soften. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, and then just drifting side to side like tall grass in the breeze. It's a nice gentle sway. Breathing. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. You're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel, mindfully. This time, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Step in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider, and then from here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down, and then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. All right, one more time. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand comes up overhead, the other hand by the hip, and then circle it around again. Once again, just the arms. The bottom arm comes up overhead, leaning over to the side, going up. All right, this time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down right in front, tapping down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon, step back out, white crane spreads wings. As always, don't worry about getting it perfect, just keep on moving. Keep on breathing. All right, one more time, white crane spreads wings. All right, this time catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon. So switching sides, the bottom hand comes up, other hand comes down. Circle it around again. Once again, just the arms, leaning over to the side, going up. And you can keep going just like that. Or if you want, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front. Step in, catch the moon, step back out. White crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. White crane spreads wings. Step in, catch the moon. This time the arms open up wide, the hands float down, then the wrists cross right in front of the heart, and then press out to the sides, creating space. Softening down, crossing the wrists as you rise up, pressing out to the sides. Breathing in, breathing out. Very nice. All right, one more time, creating space. Making some room. The arms float down and then reverse direction with the arms. Circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down by the sides as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird, the crane. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Just bringing curiosity to your experience. This time the arms can float up and over, stepping down. Other side, the crane. But just the arms at first, breathing in, breathing out. Lifting the leg if you like this time, or touching down. And then the arms float up and over. And then stepping down, this time, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. The hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for watching today. This video is part of our monthly calendar program, so please click the first link in the video description below to get your free clickable monthly calendar to watch a free class every day or just drop in anytime during the month. And I'll see you over there.